So I will start the first of my mystery box. I will refer to them as my mystery box now, and I will try to do them without the image. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just watch this video and then you'll know. Okay, so the first one is Magical Illuminations. I think it is a Tenyo jigsaw, but I'm not sure. I will tell you after I've done it, because I find out all the details. And yes, because it's, I think, the night parade from Disneyland, I am very excited to do it. And yes, let's do the jigsaw. Alright, so look at that beauty. I hope you can see it and it comes through the camera. Yeah, that one is very, very beautiful. It's very nice. It was a bit harder. I tried it at first without the image, but as soon as I did like all the not glittering pieces and a bit here, then I started to look at the image because I had it in an email. Yeah, let me just try to show you the glitter effect. Look at that. It is very nice. So my thoughts were, I was a bit worried that those glitter pieces would be rough, because sometimes they are rough, but they weren't. So they are smooth as the rest. So that's very nice, because I really don't like when pieces, like when they have the smell thing or they glow at night and they've got this rough surface, and I really hate touching them. So I was very pleased that those are very smooth, and you can see the glitter effect is different from area to area. So we've got the 7 dwarfs here, and they are like this shimmerish, and then we have the dress of Snow White, and that's, well, a bit more glitterish. I don't know how to say it. Yeah, that was nice. Another thing I thought was like with Mowgli, I had this piece and I just couldn't say what's on this. So so I had to look very close to recognize, oh, that's Mowgli. That was a bit difficult in this jigsaw. And unfortunately, we have a missing piece. So I searched everywhere, but this piece seems to be missing. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Okay, so here we have from Tenyo, a very, very good Japan brand, Magical Illuminations. And yes, you can find the information down in the description below. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.